Hello, I'm Magella McGee. I'm Assistant Service Manager within Older People's Mental Health Services in the Western Trust. We have embarked on a project to make Altnagelvin Hospital dementia friendly. This has been rolled out in partnership with the Alzheimer's Society, and we're the first hospital in Northern Ireland to do so. It is crucial that we improve the care and treatment of these vulnerable patients with dementia and their carers. Through this project, we are training our staff on how to communicate with people with dementia and to improve the care and treatment that they receive whilst in the general hospital. Training to date has been with a wide range of staff around dementia awareness. We have trained dementia champions, we have trained estate services in dementia design, we have looked at new builds and refurbishments within the hospital to ensure that the environment is appropriate and reduces confusion and distress for those people with dementia. Overall, the project is leading to better identification of people with dementia, increased training of staff, more involvement with carers, and the creation of appropriate physical environments for people with dementia whilst in hospital. We do have a lot of work still to be done within Altnagelvin, but also in rolling out the project to our other general hospitals across the Trust.